been here before?
No, this is the first time.
Excellent. So just to let you know, it's recommended you place these bags inside the lockers before coming to collections, just to protect the objects as well.
Oh,
You can take things like phones, cameras, all those things are fine.
Okay, let's go and put our bags away. Yeah, he said we have to put the bag. There's lockers. Here, there's lockers here.
We can carry it.
I've met up with my friend again, and together we have made it to the museum. We are now inside the museum, similar to the main Victoria and Albert Museum in central London. Entrance is free, but you have to put your bags in a locker first. They won't allow you to take bags inside. You can bring your phone and camera in, but otherwise no bags. And it's very interesting. It looks like a massive Ikea kind of setup. It's, I think, 3 or 4 stories, and as you can see, basically it's just a storage space to keep all the extra pieces that can't be on display in the main museum in central London. But I think this area is also like serve as research and development, training facility, and basically just extra storage space where they do the background work. Everything is just kind of open like this, so you can go around, look at it, and enjoy it. Very interesting and clever use of space. Wow.